Hello everybody. So today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about application of inverse function. So now I will show you how to answer. We have this function in here and we need to find first the derivative of inverse function at s equals to f of number 2. So now I will show you how to answer. So if we want to find about this one, we can put this number gone here. So in this situation, you got about 1 over first of the derivative of original function, and this one we have number 2. Now if we find first the derivative of this one, we have like this. This is about the power rule, so you have 3s squared. This one you got number 1, so we have number 3. And now we have the final answer in here. So this one we have number 4. 3 multiplied by 4 minus 3, we have number 9. We have 1 over 9. And this is the final answer. That is the end. Thank you for watching.